how to find and share Snapchat profile QR code. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to share your Snapchat profile using a QR code but cannot find the one that Snapchat automatically generates for you? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Snapchat on your device, tap on the red anonymous profile icon. Your Snapchat profile will open up. Here, you will see a yellow QR code. Tap on it. This is your Snapchat profile QR code, also known as Snapcode. Snapchat automatically generates a QR code for your profile. If you are on this page, you have found your Snapcode. Now let's learn how to share this QR code with others. There are two ways to share this QR code, and that is either online or offline. For online sharing, simply have someone scan the QR code from this page and they will find your profile within seconds. For offline sharing, you can either take a screenshot or directly save the QR code to your device gallery. Tap on Save to Camera Roll to save the QR code. Once you have saved it, return to your home screen and open any scanner app. Tap on the gallery icon, then select the Snapchat QR code you just saved. You should see your Snapchat profile link as a result of scanning the QR code. Tap on Go to Website. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to allow this page to open Snapchat. Tap OK. Then you will be directed to your Snapchat profile, confirming that your QR code works perfectly. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to find and share your Snapchat profile QR code. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.